Namhlanje amaphoyisa aseGauteng enze Operation Shanela enkabeni yedolobha laseGoli. Lo mkhankaso bekuhloswe ngawo ukulwa nobugebengu ezindaweni eziyisizinda sobugebengu, lokho okuholele ekuboshweni kwabasolwa abangaphezu kwekhulu ngamacala ahlukene. Kanti intatheli yethu nomzabalazo Mduka unaba kabanzi ngalolu daba.
Ngentseni yanamhlanje umkomishinala wephondo laseGauteng uLieutenant General Tommy Mthombeni nabaphathi abaphezulu besebe lenkonzo yesipolisa kunye nezinye iarhente ezogcina umthetho baqhube esinye isigaba sephulo lokubamba ucwangco i-Operation Shanela kumbindi waseGoli apho kubanjwe ngaphaya kwekhulu labarhanelwa.
We are here on the ground today focusing on Hillbrow and Johannesburg. We managed to arrest a total of 126 illegal immigrants, and then the drugs is approximately 4. I must just indicate that in terms of cooperative agreement, of which the Minister Mkhuculula have led the cooperative agreement within Gauteng with 3 districts. Here in Johannesburg district, we are zooming on the 5 police stations, of which will put the resources together for the upcoming 6 months. The 5 police stations is Hillbrow, is Johannesburg, is Jeep, is Cleveland, is Uven, of which will put integrated workforce.
Ekuyeni iqhubeka lamaphulo kukho ingqwalasela enikwayo kwizenzo zolwaphulo mthetho ezithile kwaye nakuzo kukho inkqubela phambili esele ibonakala.
We also focus on the areas of concern like your blue lights, robberies along the highway. Somewhere there in Zonkazizwe, linked to R554, R103 and 3. We managed to arrest 3 suspects with 4 blue lights and a replica firearm. I think that itself we have at least prevented for the occurrence of those typical type of crime.
Umkomishinala uthi ezinkqubo zokugunyazisa umthetho abathe gqolo ukuzenza ziyawenza umehluko ekulweni ulwaphulo mthetho. Esoleka ngelithi nearhente kunye namasebe karhulumente abasebenzisana nawo ayawaqinisa lamaphulo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndingunomzabalazo Mduka eGoli.
Njengoba udaba lwezakhiwo eziduniwe lisadlangile eGoli, ukhomishana wamaphoyisa aseGauteng uLieutenant General Tommy Mthombeni unikeza isibuyekezo ngezinyathelo zikahulumeni zokubhekana nalenkinga. Umthombeni uthi kunemhlangano yamasonto onke ebanjwe uhulumeni nezinhlaka ezifanele egxile ekubhekaneni nokudunwa kwezakhiwo.
In terms of we call it derelict, abandoned buildings. Hijacked, we have to have cases in Johannesburg. We're having a total of 57 cases relating to that, which is under investigation by the South African Police Service. Though we work closely in Johannesburg with the GFIS, I must say that out of that 57, we're having 26 of the case dockets which are still live. Live meaning that they're still either investigated or they're seeing its way to court. So we are also seriously looking into that. I chair a meeting which we call accountability session. Every Friday, unless if I'm having other commitments, I chair that meeting where we assess and look in terms of derelict, dilapidated buildings, as well as illegal occupation of land, because those things is almost on the close proximity. And we look as to say, how do we deal with those issues collectively so?